Hey guys, Floaty here and welcome to another video. Today, we're playing Would You Rather again. Would you rather? Let's go. Would you rather live in your favorite video game or live in your favorite movie? Video game? Wait. You're joking right now. Would you rather drink 1 gallon of ocean salt water or drink 1 gallon of slime? 1 gallon of ocean salt water, please. Yeah! Would you rather know it all? Know it all. People are so greedy these days. Would you... Okay. Would you rather be the first to step on Mars and come back to Earth? Or be the first to live on Mars and never come back? Be the first to step on Mars and come back to Earth. Yay! Would you rather have your best friend be a girl or have your best friend be a guy? My best friend is a man, so yeah. Yeah, oh, what? Rude. Would you rather get rid of all the bad drivers on the road? Oh, yes, I'll never have to wait in lines in some restaurants. Bad drivers. What? This is for everyone else. That is for everyone else. Would you rather have a family of 12 children or never be able to have any children at all? 12. What is happening? Why? Would you rather be an amazing cook or be an amazing dancer? Cook. Yes, finally won. I won. Oh. We've got 8 minutes left of this, guys. Actually, you know what? I've got an idea. Would you rather be a cat in a human body, which means you'll be saying meow, 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 meow? I've got an idea. Let's be a cat in a human body. Now I have to speak meow, meow, meow for the rest of the video. And up until my outro. Meow, 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 meow. Me, meow, meow. Me, meow, meow. Or me, meow, meow. Me, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, meow. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow! Meow, meow, meow. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Oh my gosh. Would you rather have everything you touch turn to dust or gold? I'm not gonna answer it. I want to be an F1 driver. Would you rather stop animal abuse or stop air pollution? Air pollution. Why does no one care about our existence rather than animals' existence? Would you rather be Okay. Would you rather be Australian or American? Australian. Everyone wants to be American when Donald Trump is not around anymore. When Donald Trump is not around anymore, I will love to go to America. Love, where I will do vlogs every day on Sax and Skits as well. That's how special it would be to go to America once Donald Trump is out of the government business. Would you rather live in an amusement park or live in a zoo? Amusement park. That'll be way more fun. Yo! Would you rather have no friends or have no family? No friends. Yeah, that's what I thought so. Would you rather be a mutant or a zombie? Mutant? Yes! Would you rather be immortal on an immortal planet or be immortal on a mortal planet? Mortal on an immortal planet. Would you rather none of Johnny Depp's films have ever existed or none of Leonardo DiCaprio's films? Leonardo DiCaprio's. Yes! Would you rather steal honey from a bear or steal honey from a beehive? Beehive. Yeah! Would you rather kiss a spider or kiss a mouse? Mouse. Why? Would you rather be able to fly anywhere you want or stop time whenever you want for 10 seconds? You know what? Would you rather be an amazing security guard or a terrible FBI agent? Security guard. Yes! 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 Yes. No. Would you rather have a photographic memory or be able to totally forget anything you want? Photographic memory. I have one. Would you rather have your memory doubled or have your IQ doubled? Memory. Would you rather be able to stop time or never have to pay for your bills? Stop time. What? 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 Would you rather always have wet socks, always shower with your clothes on? Wet socks. Obvious! Sometimes people don't know what the right thing is. Would you rather see blurry all the time or see everything black and white, black and white? Yay! Would you rather hike 5 miles or swim 5 miles? Hike. Yes! Would you rather be able to do magic or live without internet? Yeah, I want to do internet. Yes! Would you rather double your lifespan or be able to think twice as fast? Double your lifespan. Oh, come on. We're going to end on a high note. Okay. Would you rather pay $1,000 to never have to see an advertisement again or continue having to look at advertisements? we end on a bad note. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please do leave a big fat like on the video. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and always keep floating.